Good afternoon. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. My name is Sandeep Kapoor. It's my pleasure to speak to you once again through ET Automotive Platform. During my last discussion, I spoke about the evolution of electric vehicles. In my today's discussion, I will be talking about the evolution and journey of connected vehicles. And at the same time, I will also speak about adoption of cellular V2X standards. This automotive and energy evolution, it demands more speed, it demands more power, and perfect accuracy of each signal and data communication. In this era of digital and smart vehicle revolution, car needs more electronics, they need more connectivity, they need more computing power, and of course, they need more autonomy. As a result, technology is evolving across multiple dimensions at once. Electronics are creating smarter automobiles capable of detecting and alerting drivers for any fault. We can monitor air pressure, we can monitor tire pressure, deliver advanced driver assistance systems, operate engine or airbag control units. And in fact, today's car is a complex supercomputer itself. The initial innovations from multiple technology domains have already started to bring tremendous benefits to the society for better safety and energy efficiency. To make all this possible, automobile manufacturers they take advantage of innovation in RF standards, millimeter wave technologies, wireless technologies, high-speed opticals, and renewable energy. Before we get in more details of connected vehicles, let's speak about the advantages and why we need it. What is such a pressing need of having autonomous vehicles? Let's look at these statistics. This is as per WHO report. Every year, close to 1.3 million people, they lose their life in road accidents, and another 20 million people get injured every year. 95% of the traffic accidents, they are caused by human errors. And what does it cost to the economy? This costs 3% of the GDP, global GDP, as a penalty for this, as a result for this, which means trillions of dollars are lost every year due to road accidents. These figures make it evident that safety is the biggest need of the day. Accidents can happen in any mode. They can happen from vehicle to vehicle, they can happen from vehicle to people or vehicle to objects. Vehicle to everything, what we call as V2X. That is emerged as a wireless link capable of supporting the vision for connected autonomous vehicles. To achieve this, we need very dependable wireless communication at any point of time without any restriction on range and with very low latency. There are a couple of competing technologies in this space. One is DSCR and CV2X. Now, DSCR has been in existence since 1990s, but now CV2X has gained a significant level of support around the globe. And CV2X stands for Cellular Vehicle to Everything Communication. Now, why CV2X is gaining the traction? There are two reasons for that. First, there are cost advantages in leveraging pervasive network of cellular base stations, so you don't have to set up the entire network at your own, which is financially completely infeasible. Second reason is CV2X also provides ultra reliable low latency communication. So these are the two key reasons that CV2X is becoming a more convenient standard for the automotive player to adopt. Now this picture, this depicts different communication mode and their use models. Let's take example of vehicle to infra mode. So what it is here? So what do you mean by vehicle to infra mode, or what do you mean by vehicle to vehicle mode? So in this case, vehicle to infrastructure mode, it talks that vehicle is speaking to the traffic signals. It speaks to the traffic light. So that is one thing. And in vehicle to vehicle communication, vehicles get information about congestion ahead and should automatically reroute. So this can avoid vehicle to vehicle collisions. And let's have a bit deeper view of this interworking. In the first example here, we can see how this network works at blind intersections, which can avoid accidents in the night or in bad weather condition. And in second example, we can see how the sensor network, it shares intent and provides path planning for higher level of predictability. Through now connected cars, they are reality today. there are still largely untapped areas. For example, embedded SIM is still not available across all the brands and across all the cars. And we are dependent on connectivity between mobile and car, which is not always seamless. Quality of service is a key challenge. Call drops won't be acceptable for autonomous vehicles. With 5G becoming reality, some of these problems will go away. And let's talk about that. 5G is going to change dynamics of automotive world. It's going to demystify a lot of challenges being faced for achieving the ultimate vision of autonomous vehicles. 5G technologies, they bring in extremely high speeds, ultra low latency, and network availability. That's the missing link which autonomous vehicles are looking for. And for sure, with the complexity in technology, testing is also quite complicated. One of the biggest challenge here is that technology itself is evolving. It's not stable. We are having different versions of 5G standards which are coming up for release 15 now. Release 16 has been frozen. Release 70 is in works. So with CV2X, designing to the standard is a moving target because it is dependent on the evolution and deployment of 3GPP releases. Another challenge is about simulation of multiple complex scenarios. Car has got 60 to 70 sensors, and these sensors need to talk to each other in an appropriate way. And again, in Indian circumstances, it will become even more complicated given Indian population, Indian roads, Indian traffic, infrastructure, driving styles. All these features, they may be slightly different in Indian circumstances, in Indian condition, and that may require customization. Continuing with the challenges, each stage of the evolution involves new capabilities, technologies, frequencies, data rates, etc. There are differences in regulatory requirements and certification processes globally. Interference mitigation will be a critical factor because the band of 2 to 6 gigahertz, it's extremely crowded and there is a lot of congestion in that band. Another important factor is that multiple vendors developing V2X modules need to interoperate with each other in a seamless fashion, and a critical test for that needs to be carried out. To accelerate deployment of V2X systems, we need to solve these technological challenges. And let's talk a few of them today, and also we'll speak how Keysight helps in solving them. First challenge is to meet performance and safety standard. Now, this needs communication network simulation. From Keysight, we provide end-to-end testing with UXM 5G test solution. So this is how it looks like. Second is for interference mitigation, we need to do RF and physical layer testing. We provide signal generators and spectrum analyzers for generating and capturing signals for RF analysis. Keysight is a contributing member of various forums like 5G AA, and we help in defining standards. Our deep knowledge helps us in incorporating all these desired functionalities and specifications in our test system. Most of our solutions, they are modular and scalable in nature. So this means we can do any type of testing as per the regional needs, as per the global need, without changing the entire hardware. In fact, we have got more than 90 solutions for electrical vehicles and for the testing of autonomous vehicles. And 5G in automotive is not a concept only. It's becoming a reality now. There are several automakers who are already adopting various 5G technologies and standards in their vehicles. So there are a few examples of Ford, Audi, Kia Motors, Toyota, and in fact, there are many more automotive manufacturers which are adopting 5G technologies for their autonomous vehicles. This is my last slide. Assuring driver safety requires thorough testing of all intelligent electronics, controlling the automobile's moving parts. Keysight provides a comprehensive range of functional test solutions for automotive electronics. This will help you to cut down on product development and manufacturing cycle time. We work as a complete partner, providing you integration and consultancy services as well. Thank you very much.